everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today I have a charm update to share with you. These charms were all made from 2021 to 2023, and there's not a lot, but I had so much fun making them, and I hope you like seeing them. So to start out, these jelly beans are actually from my first charm update in 2021, but I actually forgot to add them into the video because I was just so excited to make the video. So here they are. I then remade them and added a little bit more colour into each one so that they're a lot brighter. And I just keep them in this little jar. And then another thing that I keep in a jar is this little frog and lily pad. And the water is made out of UV resin that's been tinted blue. I also made another frog on a lily pad for some reason, and I can't really remember why, but here it is. And then keeping with the animal theme, here's a little jellyfish in a seashell, and the ocean is made with blue and white UV resin, and it has some white sand on it. And here's the back, which is like a nice shimmery pearl colour. Then there's a cute cat sitting in a teacup. And a koala in a tree. I then made a little cat in a lemon meringue pie. It's actually in a bottle cap and it has a tiny lemon slice and also the lemon curd and toasted meringue. And then there's some more sweet stuff. So here's a whole bunch of little pancakes and they all have different toppings. And then a stack of 3 with some syrup and butter. Then I made a rainbow cake with sprinkles to celebrate reaching 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. This one was a lot of fun to make and I really like how it turned out. And then this one is probably my favourite. It's a little chocolate brownie with ice cream and it's got some whipped cream and a cherry on top. Then I have this teeny tiny mini strawberry shortcake and it has strawberry canes going all around it. And then there's a double scoop ice cream with mint and strawberry flavours. And the top has some cream and sprinkles. I then made a tiny mint coloured cupcake with sprinkles and a candle. And then this one always makes me laugh. It's like just this gigantic version of the same cupcake, and he's just so cute. And then I have probably my largest charm to date, which is a pizza, and it has a little slice cut out of it. And I love that this one looks a little bit more realistic and like a real pizza. And now on to Christmas. So here's a little fun gingerbread house that I made. It has lots of pink and mint gumballs on the top. And then a front door and a couple of candy canes pushed into the snow at the front. It also has hearts on the side instead of windows. And then I made a little peppermint swirl, and I'm really proud of this one because I made like 1,000 attempts at this one before getting the pattern right. And then there's a little snowflake. And a snowman with a scarf. And a red and white candy cane. Then a Christmas stocking. I then made a little Christmas pudding with a tiny holly on top of it. And then a teeny tiny Santa hat. And then I have a little Christmas wreath with a bow. And now that I look at it, it actually looks like a furry donut. And speaking of donuts, I actually have a few other sweets. So here's a set of blue and pink macarons. And a bunch of ice cream sandwiches. So I have a Neapolitan with vanilla wafers, a plain vanilla with chocolate biscuits, a plain vanilla with vanilla wafers, a Neapolitan with chocolate biscuits, and a plain vanilla with vanilla biscuits. I then made a pastel mint Oreo on a spoon. And speaking of pastel, I made some Tetris blocks. So there's all the T, I, Z, O and L shapes. And then there's a whole bunch of Halloween things. So first is a magic spellbook, and you can see all the detail, especially in the pages. Then I made a cauldron with shiny green bubbles and a little stirring stick. And then a pumpkin with a curly tendril and a leaf. A tiny witch's hat. Then there's a black cat's head. And a pumpkin and ghost. And then a really cute spider hanging from a web. And then there's these Halloween themed cupcakes, so starting with a candy corn. And then a Frankenstein's monster. And he has these little bolts made of head pins. And this one is probably my favorite out of all the Halloween cupcakes. And then I made a purple bat. And a ghost with a witch's hat. And a pumpkin one. I then made some ghosts for Halloween, and this one is a girl one that I made with a flower on her head. And then I made this one that actually glows in the dark. Then there's a little candy corn. I then made some stars, so a whole bunch of different coloured ones and one with sprinkles. And then finally the last one I made is a little YouTube logo. So those are all my polymer clay charms and figurines that I made in the past 2 years. I hope that you enjoyed seeing them. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!